Hi, in this tutorial video we are going to look at solving equations. Solving equations simply means finding the unknown, and in this equation we see that x is the unknown variable, so it means we need to find the value of x, and this is a question that came in 2021 internal ECZ paper 1 question 3. So let's see how we are going to solve this equation. So we have 2x minus 5 open brackets x plus 3 equal to 0. So there are different methods you can use to solve equations, but then in this case since we have the terms in the brackets like the way we have them, so what we are going to do here is that we are going to equate each of these brackets to 0. Why are we going to equate each of these brackets to 0? Because you can see the way this one is, this expression, it has already been factorized. But however, if you want to use another method, you can start by expanding this. You get rid of the brackets, then you can decide to use either completing the square method. If you don't want to use that one, you can even use the quadratic formula, but in this case we don't want to waste a lot of time because this equation, it has already been factorized, and for that reason we will just equate each of these terms to 0. So 2x minus 5 equal to 0, or x plus 3 equal to 0. I hope you know why we are putting this or, because we're going to have two values of x being a quadratic equation. So let's see what we're going to have. So these two are not like terms, therefore we take this negative, this 5 the other side. This is negative. When we take it on the other side, it will be positive. So we will have 2x equal to, this will be 0 plus 5. Okay, this is negative. You take it on the other side here, it will now be positive. Let's do the same even to this one here. So these two are not like terms, so therefore we take these 3 on the other side, so it will be x equal to. So now, of course, here we have 0. This is positive. When it crosses this equal sign, it changes the sign from positive to negative, so it will be negative what? 3. Okay, so now at this stage you can simplify this one further. We are going to have 2x equal to 0 plus 5. Of course, this will give us 5, or x equal to 0 minus 3. This will give us negative 3. Okay, then since we want to find the value of x, so we can we are going to divide by the multiplicative inverse of 2, which is 1 over 2 throughout. Okay, so we are going to divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, so that goes remain with x equal to 5 over 2. We can also write this because this is an improper fraction, so 2 can go into 5 how many times? 2, remainder 1 over 2. Okay, then let's look out for this one. Then here x is equal to negative 3. So these are our values of x. Okay, these are values of x. So x is equal to 2, 1 over 2, and the x is equal to negative 3. Thank you.